Chapter 8, the Comparative Market Analysis. This is a section that's going to be dealing with our day-to-day activities in real estate. Most of us do CMAs. Although we can do it for a fee, we typically do that for free. We do it when we go on a listing appointment. We do it when we're dealing with buyers who want to know what the overall values in a market might be. What I want to do right now is go over the basic components of the CMA to make sure that we understand what it is. It's a lot like the comparable sales approach. What we're going to be doing with the CMA, though, we're going to expand a little bit. The components include, first, we're going to look at properties that have recently sold. The reason that we do that is that gives us a real good idea of what our property should sell for. We're going to evaluate properties that are currently on the market for sale. That'll tell us what our competition is. And then we're going to look at all those properties that have expired. And that's pretty much going to tell us the upper end of the market where we shouldn't be. So given all of those components together, we should be able to sit down with the seller and say, look, this is what the market's telling us. This is where we need to be. And when we're doing a CMA, what we typically do is do a value range, a low side, high side. And we want to be somewhere in that range when we take that listing. That's about all there is in this particular chapter. What I would like to do right now is to go ahead and review Chapter 8, give you the summary of those important issues that you're going to need to know. A licensee can perform a CMA for a fee. The three types of comparables are the sold properties, properties that are currently listed, and properties that have expired. You always adjust the comparables, not the subject. Remember Robin Hood, you take from the rich and you give to the poor. And that's the end of our Chapter 8 review.